Welcome to the parshealthTV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix bunions without surgery. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. If you suffer from bunions, you may have thought of having surgery on your feet. While bunion deduction surgery is the only absolute way to get rid of a bunion, there are a bunch of ways to treat bunions without surgery. It is estimated that around 25% of all adults aged between 18 to 65 have bunions, with 36% of all over 65 suffering. And, of course, not all of these individuals are treating their bunions with surgery. If you are looking for bunion relief without going under the knife, these 6 top suggestions will help. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. How do bunions grow? A bunion is a bony lump that is created at the bottom of the big toe. It happens when the big toe moves inwards towards the second toe, as the first metatarsal changes towards the opposing foot. The leading reasons for bunions are genetics, biomechanics, pregnancy, obesity, and poorly fitting footwear. If you're one of the thousands of women looking for bunion relief, stay tuned with us to learn how you can treat bunions without surgery. Number 1. Maintain a healthy weight. If you are looking for a way to treat your bunions without surgery, keeping your body in good shape is essential. If you are overweight, obese and etc., the first thing you should do is to try to lose weight. The feet are under a lot of pressure to keep the rest of our bodies. Simple daily activities can cause significant pressure on our feet if they carry more weight than they suppose to. If your toe joints are under more substantial pressure, they are more likely to become inflamed and sore, worsening a bunion. So, the first step to treating bunions without surgery is maintaining a healthy weight. Number 2. Foot bath. Put your feet on a foot bath several times a week. The best method to treat bunions without surgery is to have a healthy foot care routine. The better care you take of your feet, the less likely you will suffer from foot problems. A simple 15-minute foot bath will calm your feet. Utilize warm water and Epsom salt if you experience swelling, or pink Himalayan sea salt to calm and soothe your bunions. Number 3. Ice your feet. Suppose you need bunion comfort after a long day of walking or standing. In that case, icing your feet can relieve swelling and lessen the pain of bunions. Put an ice pack in a towel, apply it to the selected area, and ice for 15 to 20 minutes for optimum impact. Icing your feet and taking foot baths is helpful for its pain, but it will not heal your bunions. However, they will undoubtedly deliver bunion relief if your feet are hurting you after a long day of exercising your feet. Number 4. Massage and exercise. One of the easiest ways to treat your bunions without surgery is to, in fact, exercise your feet. You should commit several minutes to your feet daily. After long periods of standing or walking, there are straightforward exercises you can do to reduce the pain associated with bunions. A simple massage or foot exercise can deliver some much-needed bunion comfort. It will help strengthen the muscle which handles your big toe. One of the most helpful exercises for bunion relief is the toe stretch. You need to point your toes straight ahead for 15 seconds and then curl them for 10 seconds. Repeat this stretch 10 times. You can also utilize a towel to help with this stretch. Set up a small towel on the ground and curl your toes around it. Then pull the towel towards you. You can repeat this stretch 10 times too. Another easy practice to stretch your big toe applies to utilize one hand to gently pull the big toe over into the proper alignment. Maintain the big toe in this place for 10 seconds and then gently release. Repeat this exercise 3 times. It is crucial to wiggle your toes throughout the day. Your feet are crammed into shoes for 10 hours a day. Take your shoes off for a couple of minutes and let them move to enhance the blood circulation to your feet. Of course, it's always better to wear bunion-friendly shoes which do not press your feet. These foot exercises provide an easy way to treat the pain of bunions without surgery. They will not get rid of this painful joint, but they will give some bunion relief. Number 5. Try bunion pads. There are many bunion products out there that can support you in treating your bunions without surgery. They might be helpful, but not all bunion products will help all feet, but it may be worth trying out bunion pads. These typically come in the form of soft gel-filled pads, which you can place inside your shoe to prevent the bunion from rubbing against the inside of your shoe. You may also want to try shoe inserts created to keep your foot in the proper position. You can purchase these over the counter at your local pharmacy or have your orthotic insoles custom made to adjust your foot shape. These pads and inserts maintain your foot in the correct position and stop the bunion from rubbing and causing pain. Suppose your bunions do not hurt you when you are not wearing shoes. In that case, this may be an excellent alternative treatment to bunion surgery. Number 6. Wear bunion-friendly shoes. This is our favorite piece of advice for treating bunions without surgery. If you have bunions, you can always wear pretty, fashionable shoes. They just should be bunion-friendly. You should look for shoes with a wide toe box, the part at the front of the shoe, and softening to cover those problematic joints. Although it may sound obvious to some, wide-fit shoes are often misunderstood as shoes for bunions. The truth is that while many wide-fit shoes have enough room to adjust bunions, if you don't have wide feet, the back of the shoe will not maintain your heels in place. It is also expected to have a bunion on only one foot. Consequently, wide-fit shoes on a slim to normal width foot, without a bunion, will not be supportive and can lead to foot health problems in the near future. There are numerous methods to treat your bunions without surgery. Bunion surgery, known as the bunionectomy, is painful. You should try all the available choices before you decide to undergo surgery. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.